हाय गाइस, माय चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो डिटरमाइंड की अगली प्रॉपर्टी 10वीं प्रॉपर्टी पे टू पैरेलल लाइन रो एंड कॉलम ऑफ डिटरमाइंड आर आइडेंटिकल देन वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमाइंड if each element of row and column is multiplied by same number then value of determinant is also multiplied by the that A is square matrix of order n and lambda by any scalar delta lambda A is equal to lambda power n into delta. Each element of any row or column of determinant consists of two terms. Then determinant can express as the sum of two. If same multiple of element of any row or column of determinant are added to correspond of any other row or column, then value of new determinant remain unaltered. अब diagonal matrix और अथवा triangular matrix is equal to product of its diagonal 1 एक्स वाई जेड एक्स स्क्र वाई स्क्र जेड स्क्र तो ये एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस जेड माइनस एक्स ट्राइंगल हुज वर्टिक्स x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y2 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 मॉड x1 y1 x x1 x2 x3 1 2 1 1 1 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 आर कोलिनियर x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1 is equal to let joined and inverse of square matrix. Let A is equal to Aij is square matrix of order n greater than 1. Then A is equal to transpose of matrix Aij where Aij is the cofactor of Aij in A. Any square matrix order n A adjust A is equal to A and A is equal to Aij is square matrix order n invisible if A exiting of matrix B is such that AB is equal to In is equal to B. Call inverse of A is denoted by A power minus 1 and B is equal to A power minus 1. Particular let A is square matrix A is called not singular if A mod of A does not equal to 0, otherwise it is called singular. Matrix A is invertible if mod of A does not equal to 0 minus A power is equal to 1 mod A adjust A. Invertible matrix A power minus 1 is also invertible and A power minus 1 power minus A is equal to B are invertible matrix of same order AB is also invertible AB power minus 1 is equal to B power minus 1. A and B are invertible square matrix of